We are going to see in this video that which generative AI tool is much more efficient in creating this kind of high CTR YouTube thumbnails. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I'm bringing an interesting topic for your YouTube channel. We will see that how to create a high CTR, which is a click-through rate thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So let's compare quickly between two photos which you can see, which is on top and bottom, and you can easily say that okay, the first one is looking much more interesting and it makes me to click that particular video to see it. On the bottom side again it's a little bit dull and it's not that much efficiently edited. Same way you can think of this. As you can see, this is the title of the video which I added, but now if you are using any generative AI tools such as ChatGPT, Gemini or Claude, you can see that how they are putting few text somewhere, providing some clouds, if they can see any images which are related to the particular subject. So you can see that if you can see that any of the person is related to a subject, it can easily provide some comments over here in let's some cloud. You can see that some art effect you can see over here which is not there in this particular video, and you can see that how efficiently it has hide few things which are not as good for the video or for the thumbnail. This is the last one which you can see. It's a very effective thumbnail. You can see that this is a raw image which you can see. I just put it, I just taken this image from the video, but now after giving some kind of, you can say, a prompt to this generative AI tool, you can see that how the generative AI such as ChatGPT or Gemini, it is creating the thumbnail from this raw image. And you can see this is going to be much more effective, and I think you will like this image for sure. So we are going to see in this video that which generative AI tool is much more efficient in creating this kind of high CTR YouTube thumbnails. So we are going to see these three main popular generative AI tools: ChatGPT, Claude and Gemini. And by using a single prompt for all these three tools, we will see that which will make a high CTR or attractive YouTube thumbnail for a video. So you can see the prompt is easy. I just provided the prompt from which I can get what I am interested in. As you can see, I'm interested in a high CTR YouTube thumbnail, so I have write this, edit this image for high CTR YouTube thumbnail and give me an image file. So this is most important, otherwise it will give, otherwise these tools will give you instructions which you have to follow and you have to create your own image. So what I have provided, give me an image file which I can upload as thumbnail on my YouTube channel. These are the additional details which you can give as per your requirement, that make it decent, let's say make it kind of distinctive, interesting, clear also, provide important details in thumbnail with attractive points, and lastly make it distinct. So I provided this you can say prompt, and now let's quickly see if we are going to use this same prompt in this three different AI tools. Let's see how these tools will create the image. So first one is Claude, and as you can see, this is the Claude website. You can go to it and you can see this first chat box which is open, and you can see that type a message over here. What we will do, you can see this plus icon also, you have to add an image also from this. So click on this, you can choose a gallery, as well as what you can do, if you have an image file somewhere in a let's say in a folder, you can just drag it and bring it to over here directly. So it will take this image. Now over here you can type the message. I'm just copying and pasting that particular message which I have it from this PowerPoint. Okay, so as you can see, it is now clear. Now let's upload this. So first we are seeing for Claude. So let's download this image and let's keep it ready to compare it with other two remaining tools. Now let's see how the Gemini will do. So again we are pasting the same prompt and we are uploading the same image, and let's submit this. Again I'm using a free version, so we will see what it will give us. It's not a paid version that we are using over here. So it is creating image. So image is ready, and you can see now it, as it is provided some other information, but you can see it kept the what you can say, the main image of product as it is. So let's download this, and we will see the comparison with the other two AI tools as well. So lastly, let's use ChatGPT to get the image. So this is the image from ChatGPT. Let's download this as well, and now let's compare all these three images which we have developed using these AI tools: ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. And now it's up to you which image you will like, but and I will provide my comments, my feedback, that which image is more attractive, informative, as well as can give us a high CTR value. I will just give you three different images which is as shown, and these three images are developed by the ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. So first of all, can you tell me which image which YouTube thumbnail looks very good? You can just think of this. You can see that as per your requirement, it's like it's all these three images giving us different details. One thing is common, that they are comparing it. So there is a comparison between this between two component between two products, and you can see that few one of the image which is over here, you can, the last image which you can see, it is giving us a detail that this is the winner. So ultimately you are seeing the final outcome, which it's difficult to show in a thumbnail, like it's which is not feasible to show in the thumbnail that this is the winner, because the viewer will not see the whole video. A second thing, from this too you can see that miscibility, it is taking a miscibility test, and from this too also you can see that over here it says leaks, it says clean, pure. So ultimately this image can also telling me that this is the winner, but as you can see in this middle image, it is not particularly visible that which is the winner. But considering everything, if I can remove, let's say, this option from this image, which image or which thumbnail looks very attractive to me, I would say this one, because you can see that how attractively it has created this text, which is better. Its focus is much more on that, and it provides this to protein powder or products in a very good manner. It's like they are tilted at some angle. Over here they are kept on some flat space, and you can see that they are providing what is given in the video. It's a miscibility test. Over here it says miscibility test and which mix is better in a single manner. So obviously this, I would say, it is much more attractive. And for information, all these three images are created by these three different tools. So the winner is ChatGPT from my case. So I would give first preference to ChatGPT, second preference to Gemini, and third preference to Claude. Again, this is again from my understanding, from my knowledge purpose of what I am interested in. So this is all my personal views. It's up to you which one is better for your case. It depends on you. So you can watch this full video how to generate this kind of thumbnail, and which is better. Thank you for watching the video.